Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a VPN on your iPhone, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a VPN on your iPhone. So in order to actually set up a VPN for your iPhone, what you need to do is you need to go and head over into the App Store, because we are going to use a native app in order to actually start our VPN, because iPhone and Apple just doesn't really offer a VPN. Luckily there are basically extensions we can use from the App Store. So just go head over into the App Store and simply type in VPN. And I'm going to show you guys which one you need to choose. So I would recommend choosing VPN Proxy Unlimited Shield, because it's one of the best VPNs basically out there. And it's also completely free. I'm not sponsored at all, but this is the one I've been using for basically my entire life, and it works pretty good. So yeah, just make sure to install it. Shouldn't take more than literally a few seconds. And basically once it's installed, just open up the app just like this. And basically once you've done that, just click on accept and continue, and you may want to click away those ads because you don't really want to pay and all those kind of things. And yeah, basically once you've done that, what you need to do is click on continue, and you need to actually allow the app in order to actually spoof your location basically. So just click on allow on all those notifications basically. And once you've done that, once you're at this app right here, just click on the fastest location, click on that, and right here you have a lot of different options to which country you can basically spoof to. So yeah, let's say that I want to set my VPN, for example, to New York. Then I just click on one and I click on this one, for example. This should be the fastest one. You may need to watch a quick ad. And basically once you've finished that ad, you should be connected to the VPN. So I'm just going to quickly skip this ad right now, and then I will be back with you guys. Alright, so once all those ads are gone, you will notice that it will say most likely connection success, and it will actually say how long you have already been connected to the VPN. To make sure that you are actually connected to the VPN, what you can just simply do is open your control center like this, and then next to your Wi-Fi icon, a VPN icon should appear. And once that VPN icon has appeared, you should be connected to your VPN, and you can just try it out with different apps such as TikTok and Instagram, because basically when you spoof to a different location, you will also get basically different settings and all those kind of things. But yeah, that's basically what you need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.